Stay Gurubhyo Namaga children. Today we are going to learn exercise 5.2. Convert the given length to meters. So we are going to convert into meter. 450 centimeter is given. The centimeter we are going to convert into meter. First you should write the order: kilometer, hectometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So centimeter to meter, because centimeter is the smaller unit, meter is the larger unit. Smaller to larger we are going to convert. So smaller to larger we want to divide. What do you want to do? We have to divide by the power of 10. Okay. So where is centimeter here? Centimeter to meter. 1, 2 steps we want to move. Okay. So what do you want to do? We have to divide. How many steps we move? 2 steps. So 10 times are 100. We have to divide by 100. So write the relation. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, how many centimeter is given here? 450 centimeter equal to 450 divided by 100. So cancel 1 0 1 0. The remaining 1 0 is there. So 1 decimal you should keep. So 4.5 meter. So 450 centimeter equal to 4.5 meter. See the next one. 3 meter 6 centimeter. 3 meter 6 centimeter. So we are going to convert into meter. It is already meter, so keep it as it is. Just the 6 centimeter alone we want to change. Okay. First you write the relations. What we found that 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. How we found this? It's moving 2 steps, so we want to divide by 100. 3 steps we want to divide by 1000. 1 step we want to divide by 10. Okay. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 3 meter 6 centimeter equal to 3 meter, you keep it as it is, plus 6 centimeter. So 6 by 100. So 3 meter plus, here 2 zeros are there. So 2 decimals you want to keep. Here already 1 digit is there. Just you add the zeros and keep the decimal. Now see that 1, 2 decimals. Because divided by 100, 2 zeros are there. So we need to keep 2 decimals. While dividing by 100, we have to keep 2 decimal places. Okay, now you add this 3 meters. So 3 means 3.00. 0.06. You add this, what you will get? 3.06. 3.06 meter. Okay. So 3 meter 6 centimeter equal to 3.06 meter. See the next one. Convert the given length to kilometers. Convert the given length to kilometers. What is given here? Meter is given. Meter we are going to convert into kilometer. First you write the order: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay. So kilometer to meter you want to check. Sorry, meter to kilometer we are going to convert. Sorry. meter to kilometer. Meter is a smaller unit, kilometer is a larger unit. So smaller to larger we are moving. So we need to divide. We need to divide. Smaller to larger, what do you want to do, children? We have to divide. Okay. So divide by 10. Each step we have to divide by 10. So first step, so divide by 10. Second step, divide by 10. Third step, divide by 10. See, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. We need to divide by 1000. First write the relationship. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So here how many meter is given? 3478 meter equal to 3478 divided by 1000. Okay. So you divide this here. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So you just keep the 3 decimal. So 3.478 kilometer. What is the answer? The answer is 3.478 kilometer. Because here 3 zeros are there. So that 3 decimal places we kept. Okay, children? See the next one. 4,905 hectometer. Okay, first write the order. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, so hectometer we are going to convert into kilometer. Or is hectometer here to that. So we have to divide by 10 because 1 hectometer equal to 1 by 10 kilometer. Okay, so 4,905 hectometer equal to 4,905 divided by 10. Okay, so here 10 is there, so only 1 0 is there, so you should keep only 1 decimal. So 490.5 hectometer, sorry, 490.5 kilometer, because hectometer we converted into kilometer. Okay, children, so what is the answer? 4,905 hectometer equal to 490.5 kilometer. Okay, do you understand, children? See the next one. 14,000 meter. So meter we are going to convert into kilometer. First write the order. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, so meter to kilometer, 1, 2, 3 steps. So divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. So totally 1000. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Here 14,000 meter equal to 14,000 divided by 1000 kilometer. Cancel this 3 zeros. What you will get? 14 kilometer. So what is the answer? 40,000 meter equal to 14 kilometer. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Convert each as indicated in brackets. So what is given in the bracket, that we need to convert. So meter into kilometer. Meter is the smaller unit. Kilometer is the larger unit. Smaller to larger, what do you want to do? We have to divide. Okay. So you know very well, meter to kilometer, just now we saw that. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 3.45 meter equal to 3.45 by 1000. So dividing the 1000, the decimal place will move 3 places to the right side. So 1, 2, 3. Here there is nothing, number will be there. So you can put 0 here. So 0.00345 kilometer. Okay, children. So what is the answer? 3.45 meter equal to 0.00345 kilometer. Okay, you understand this? See the next one. 44.5 centimeter convert into meter. First write the order. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Centimeter we are going to convert into meter here. 1, 2 steps. Okay. So divide by 10. Why we are dividing by 10? Because smaller to larger we are converting. So that we are dividing. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 44.5 centimeter equal to 44.5 divided by 100. Okay, so while dividing by 100, the decimal places will move 2 places to the left. So 0.445 meter. So what is the answer? 44.5 centimeter equal to 0.445 meter. You understand, children? See the next one. Seven millimeter. We need to convert into centimeter. First write the order. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Millimeter is given, we are going to convert into centimeter. So divide by 10 because smaller to larger we are converting. Okay. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 7 millimeter equal to 7 by 10 centimeter. So here 1 0 is there. So 1 decimals we want to keep. So 7 millimeter equal to 0.7 centimeter. Here millimeter to kilometer we are going to convert. Write the order. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay. Now millimeter to kilometer. You see that millimeter to kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 steps. Divide by 10, 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 and divide by 10. Now 1 millimeter equal to 1 by, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 lakh. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 lakh kilometer. Okay. So 9 millimeter equal to 9 by 10 lakh. So here 6 zeros are there. 6 decimals we want to keep. Okay. So already one digit is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kilometer. So what is the answer? 9 millimeter equal to 0.0000009 kilometer. You understand, children? You first write the order, after that you find out how many steps it's moving. Okay. See the next one. The dimensions of a rectangular flung are 6.7 meter, 85 into 85 centimeter. Find its perimeter. We need to find out the perimeter, okay, in meter and area in square meter. So we need to find out perimeter and area. Here the rectangular plate dimension is given. So the length and breadth is given. We need to find out perimeter and area. Okay. So length of a rectangular plug is 6.7 meter. Breadth of a rectangular plug is 85 centimeter. See here meter, centimeter. We have different units. First we need to convert in same units. Okay. But in the answer they asked in meter. So you have to convert into meter. Centimeter you should convert into meter. You know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So here 85 centimeter is given. How to convert this? 85 by 100. So divide by 100. We have to keep 2 decimals. So 0.85 meter. Okay. So breadth equal to 0.85 meter. Next we need to find out perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular flunk equal to 2 into L plus B unit. Substitute the value 2 into 6.7 plus 0.85. What you will get? 6.7, 0.85. 5, 15, 5 remaining 1, 7. So 7.55. Two into 7.55. Multiply with the 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 remaining 1. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 remaining 1. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. So 15.10 meter, or else you can say 15.1. Okay. So perimeter equal to this. Next we need to find out area. Area of a rectangular flunk equal to L into B square units. So 6.7 into breadth is 0.85. Okay. Now you multiply this. .7 into 0.85. So without the decimal you take it. 67 into 85. 5 7s are 35. 5 remaining 3. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 33. 8 7s are 56. 6 remaining 5. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 53. 5 9 6 5. So what you will get? 5 6 9 5. So here 2 decimal, here 1 decimal. Totally 3 decimals you have to keep. Meter square. So what is the area? So area of a rectangular flunk equal to 5.695 meter square. So area equal to 5.695 meter square. You understand, children? Thank you, children.